Hey guys, Dave Ruel, Karen, MetabolicCooking.com, and we're back today with a cool carbohydrates recipe, because most of the meals you're gonna see you need to add carbohydrates to it, and sometimes just a plain sweet potatoes is not enough, and that's not enough to maximize your metabolic rate and get your body in metabolic state. So we got a pretty cool recipe with sweet potatoes to share with you. So Karen is gonna mix together in a big bowl. So she has one teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika first.
Yeah, so 1 teaspoon paprika, about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, we got 1/4 teaspoon of thyme.
Fine.
1/4 teaspoon of rosemary.
Here we go.
Yeah. We got 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder.
That's garlic. No, the first one was garlic.
The first one was garlic. This one is onion.
You're
and
right.
We got a pinch of cayenne pepper. But I mean, it depends. We like stuff spicy, and cayenne's kind of that super metabolic, thermocharged spice. So we kind of use it in many recipes. So it's always good. And one thing we do, you need like about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and so what I do, like, I need to brush olive oil on top of these sweet potatoes. We got 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes in there that we're gonna brush the top. They're cut in half, all right? And what I do, usually I just pour a little bit of olive oil in a plate like this. I got a brush. You can use some paper towel, for example, that works really well as well. So that's perfect. So what I do, I just brush the olive oil. That's gonna help the olive oil. Good properties, very healthy oil, but it's gonna help as well the spices to stick on the sweet potatoes and give them that flavor that we like, the Cajun style flavor. There you go. See, a little brush, not too much. A teaspoon is enough. I put a little bit more than a teaspoon just because I want them to, there's still some left. And what Karen's gonna do, she's gonna sprinkle a bit on top. You can use a teaspoon. You can use your hands as well. Don't be scared. Just wash your hands and put rub the spices on top. So there you go.
I'm gonna put this one here.
There you go. It's perfect. You can also use the brush. I usually do. Show you. Once we sprinkle the spices, yeah, perfect. Just enough. You're done.
Almost.
Good.
There you go.
Perfect. Look at that. So I can use just a brush to brush the spices on top. So make sure like they're really stuck. They really stick on the sweet potatoes. There you go. There you go. So they are right there. They're penetrating the sweet potatoes. I mean, can't get any easier than that. So we got metabolic sweet potatoes. We're gonna put them in the oven. Preheat the oven about 375, and you put them. It's always gonna depend. I've seen like sweet potatoes sometimes cook faster for some weird reason, anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes. Just monitor the sweet potatoes so they don't burn. But right there, we're gonna bake them in the oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll be back with the final results. Guys, it smells really good in the house. I think it's ready. Follow me. All right. Oh my gosh. Take them out without burning myself. That's the tricky part. Whoa, look at that! Metabolicious, thermocharged sweet potatoes, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Make sure to try them out. And
Get ready to torch the fat.
Alright. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Take care.